In this video, we learn the addition of two variables. How to print the addition of two variables. Okay. Here I am taking the variable A and that is assigned to 12 and the variable B that is assigned to 23. Now I want to add the two variables A and B. So C equal to A plus B. Okay. Now I want to print the addition of A and B is the value is to be printed. Okay. That's why in print statement in between the double quotes, I am giving the addition of A and B is, okay, comma, where the addition of A and B is available in the variable C. That's why we need to print the variable value C. Okay. Now, save the program. If you run the program here, A equal to 12, B equal to 23. What is the addition of these two numbers? 35. Here we are getting the addition of A and B, 35. Suppose if we need the addition of 12 and 23 is 25. 12 and 23 is 25. Then how to write the print statement here? See. The addition of 12 and 23. That's why here the addition of, okay, that will be kept in double quotes. Okay, after that we need to print 12. 12 means that is the variable of A. That's why comma A. Okay, next comma. That means in the place of A we need to print 12. And is the message. That's why again that will be placed in the double quotes. Okay. We need to print 23. 23 means which variable value? B. That's why comma B. Okay. Comma is. Is another message. That's why in between the double quotes we have to give is. Okay. Now the addition of comma A. A means what is the variable value A? 12. Okay. And comma B. B means what is the variable value B? 23. Okay. Is comma C. That means we need to get the output as the addition of 12 and 23 is 35. Okay. Now observe the output. Okay. Here in the first print statement, we are getting the addition of A and B is 35. In the second print statement, we are getting the addition of 12 and 13 is 35. Here we are assigning the values to the variables directly. Okay. Suppose if we need to read the variables at runtime, then how to give? How to read the variables at runtime? Okay. See. Here take, suppose the two variables are x comma y. Okay, ma? X comma y equal to, we need to take two inputs. That's why we are giving x comma y on the left side. Okay, x comma y equal to, we are using map function, map of. So we read the variables as integer data types. That's why we have to give int comma. We are placing input. You are taking x and y as input. That's why input of. Suppose if we need to display any message, then that message will be keep in between the double quotes in input. Suppose if we need to display enter x comma y values. Okay. Here in between the double quotes, we have to give enter x comma y. Okay. Just close input. Here we have to give dot split. What is the purpose of this split means? In the left side, how many variables we have to take? that many number of variables are splitting. Okay, close the map function. Okay, see this statement, see this line. What is the meaning of this statement means? We are taking two variables x comma y. Okay, so those two variables x and y are read at the runtime. Okay, that's why we have to give map. These two variables belongs to int. That's why we have to apply int, comma, input of, why we have to give enter x comma y means for displaying at the output. Okay, whatever the message we need to display, that message will be given in between the double quotes. Okay, whatever the split, split means, the purpose of split means how many variables we have to take on the left side, that many variables are splitting. Okay, now see, z equal to x plus y, we need to print z. Okay, we need to print the value of z, or suppose if we need to print z equal to, okay, z. See, save the program, run the program. See here. So already the previous program is here only. That's why we are getting these two lines. The addition of A and B is 35. The addition of 12 and 23 is 35. Like that. So already this there. Extra we are adding these three lines code. So what is the purpose of these three lines code? So here we read the inputs at the runtime. That's why here whatever the message we have to give in between the double quotes enter x comma y here displayed. Okay, now we are giving the inputs here. Suppose if we are giving the inputs as 4 space. Okay, 4 space 7. Okay, so the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 7. Then press enter. What is the output you will be getting? Z equal to 11. That means here we are not assigning the values to the variable here. Okay. We are taking the variable values at the runtime. That means we read the variables at the runtime like this. Okay. So this is the procedure to add the two variables.